My name is Sri Damayanti. Now I will continue the explanation about what value does technology add to the direct instruction model. The next part is implementation. A teacher might make use of technology to give students additional opportunities or different opportunities for guided practice. Depending on the context being addressed, technology might also be used in independent practice step of the direct instruction model. For example, when teaching how to create a concept map, the first steps involved could be recorded so that students can repeat these steps as needed. Students who need more practice before working on their own might watch recording for extra reinforcement. Also, students who are absent can watch how to solve a problem when reviewing this video. The next is assessment. Various technology tools can support the assessment cycle throughout the steps of the direct instruction model, but technology is particularly useful during the guided practice and independent practice step. During both of these steps, audio and video technology can be useful tools that allow information about students' learning as it happens and after it happens to be captured. When their tools are used to record students' learning, it is possible to closely analyze and gain insight into students' learning. When teachers and students use audio and video tools to record, play and replay and watch video in slow motion, it is possible to see how various procedures are learned and how well they are accomplished. The next is direct instruction model lesson plan example. The direct instruction model lesson serves as an illustration of how the direct instruction model might be implemented using simple technologies found in most classrooms. Direct instruction model steps consist of instruction. Teacher describes lesson objectives to the students. Next, presentation. Teacher present new content and demonstrate concept mapping. The next is guided practice. Teacher demonstrate how to make concept mapping by the concept mapping tools. The next is independent practice. In this part, the students create their own concept mapping by using the concept mapping tools. The next part is lesson context. There is a grade level, third to high school level. There is content area. The content area is language art. The next is physical teaching environment. This lesson will be taught in computer lab with one computer for student with computer facing the projector in the front. The next is application of revised Bloom's taxonomy. This lesson requires students to use remembering and creating levels of revised Bloom's taxonomy because students apply their knowledge about creating concept maps independently. The next is lesson plan. The goal is students will learn about concept mapping. The objective is students will describe what they know about concept mapping and then develop a basic concept mapping, use the concept mapping tools with 100% accuracy. About estimated time approximately in 30 minutes, and the material needed is PowerPoint, concept mapping tools and teacher workstation connected to project. And 5 required skill learners should have experience working on computer. The next is a lesson procedure. The first is introduction in at least 4 minutes. The next is motivation. Teacher motivates the students to learn to create the concept mapping. The information. Teacher informs the student that the concept mapping will be helpful to learn to or understand the subject easily. The next is connection, and after that is presentation in at least 5 minutes to demonstrate how to create the concept mapping by using the tools. The next is guided practice. Teacher explains the steps to create the concept mapping by using the concept mapping tools. Okay, I think it's enough for my presentation. The next explanation will be presented by my friend. Thank you.